Welcome to WTMCARS YouTube channel. WTMCARS. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The 2026 Honda CR-V. The 2026 Honda CR-V introduces a refreshed design that enhances its modern appeal while maintaining the practicality that has made it a favorite among compact SUV enthusiasts. The updated front fascia features a redesigned grille and sleeker LED headlights, contributing to a more aggressive and contemporary look. At the rear, semi-clear lens taillights and a new tailgate applique provide a refined finish, aligning with Honda's commitment to blending style with functionality. Inside, the CR-V's cabin has been upgraded with advanced technology and premium materials to elevate the driving experience. Higher trims are expected to feature a fully digital 10.3-inch instrument cluster, offering customizable displays for essential driving information. The infotainment system may see enhancements, including larger touchscreen options and improved smartphone integration, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Performance-wise, the 2026 CR-V continues to offer efficient and responsive powertrains. The standard model is equipped with a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering 190 horsepower and 179 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking enhanced fuel efficiency, the hybrid variant combines a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with two electric motors, producing up to 204 horsepower and 247 lb-ft of torque. Both configurations offer front-wheel drive as standard, with all-wheel drive available for improved traction. Safety remains a cornerstone of the CR-V's appeal, with the 2026 model expected to include the latest Honda Sensing suite of driver assist technologies. Standard features encompass adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. These systems work in harmony to provide a safer and more confident driving experience. In summary, the all-new 2026 Honda CR-V combines a bold exterior redesign with advanced interior technology and reliable performance. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on weekend adventures, the CR-V continues to offer versatility, comfort, and safety, solidifying its position as a leader in the compact SUV segment.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.